What makes some leadership training more effective than others? And how can you, as a manager, ensure that your team gets the biggest bang for their buck when it comes to leadership training? I'm Greg Schinkel, President of Unique Training and Development and Frontline Leadership Systems. And today I want to talk about some of the learnings that we've had over the past 30 plus years, where we've trained tens of thousands of leaders from more than 1,000 companies. And as you can probably imagine, some projects go better than others. So what is it that makes some training go better than other projects? One aspect is senior management involvement. In the most effective projects, the senior management sends strong signals of support. The senior managers will make it a point to participate personally in the training and communicate how they're applying the concepts. This negates the typical participant feedback, "My boss needs to take this course." The second factor is having a credible and engaging instructor. When you think of the best training that you've attended compared to the worst, chances are the instructor played a significant role in how effective the course was. It helps to have an instructor who can bring course concepts to life with relatable examples and connect it to your real-world experiences. The third factor is follow-up. Training is a process, not an event, and great leaders are made over a period of time. Having a 1 or 2 day training session without any follow-up or assignments and coaching won't yield the best results. Based on the success of your training program, you'll want to encourage conversations between managers and course participants about how the course concepts are being applied. We're constantly refining our leadership training process to create the maximum impact for our customers, and how the customer embraces the training determines whether the project will be considered a flavor of the month or create a maximum enduring impact in terms of both operational impact and employee engagement. We'd love to help you with this, and so if we can help you create a leadership program of high impact, be sure to visit us online at uniquedevelopment.com or connect with us on social media on one of the various platforms. I look forward to helping you on your leadership journey.